Show you how much of a nobody this nigga is, man. Yo, who don't know? You rocking with Arsenal right now. Let me see, we're gonna go to YouTube. Show y'all my opponent, man. March 17th, Arsenal versus this nobody ass nigga. Watch this shit. T-Rex, right? I type in T-Rex and I press enter. Now tell me if y'all see this ugly nigga that I'm battling anywhere I scroll down. I don't see him. I see dinosaurs and shit. Damn, they got hella views. 6 million. T-Rex versus all dinosaur shit. That's crazy to me. But you a legend. And you supposed to be. Now let me show you what happened when you type in Arsenal. Just Arsenal. Show y'all that. Damn. See that shit? Look at these views. 500,000. More than 500,000. 2 million. 1 million. More than 500,000. 37 racks. 112 racks. All me though. This is all me. You don't see nothing about no guns or no. You know what I'm saying? This is all me. I go to the second page and show you. It's still me. Oh, there he go. There you go. He with me though. You know what I'm saying? You know, my preparation is you know, I isolate myself. You know what I mean? Get in my zone. Go over my bars. You know? I feel bad for you, my man. I feel bad for you, man. You got a couple days left of life. Couple days left of life, man. That's all I can say.